So how you handle an IRA versus a regular trading account varies quite a bit. Now, the way that I handle it, and I actually got this idea from this guy on Instagram. The account is Trading Experts. If you go and you follow those guys out like that, they've got some really great insight around IRAs and how to trade them well for tax benefits. Now, with an IRA, or even a Roth IRA, the reason why people buy them is because there's a lot of tax benefits. So if you have a Roth IRA, then that means that you're paying taxes on the money up front. You put that money in, and then when you go to withdraw the funds later on, all that money's already been taxed. So there's all that savings, right? Like your money compounded, and well, whatever your ending number is, that's going to be the amount that you get to take out. No additional tax on it. Amazing. Then on the regular IRA, the traditional IRA, that's where you put the money in and you don't pay taxes on it up front. You make the transactions in that account. That's not being taxed either. Then later on, when you start to withdraw, then you're being taxed. So it's compounding tax-free. So there's advantages to both, pros and cons to both, and you can weigh which one is going to be the best for you. But because of all those tax advantages, what the guys over at Trading Experts were saying was that it makes a lot more sense to do your shorter term trades, like if you're a swing trader, to do that in the IRA versus what most people tend to do with their retirement account and just let that be the long-term thing that they hold forever, and thinking that like, oh, well, capital gains, like I won't have to pay, I'll have a lower tax rate, but you're already saving the tax. It's tax-free. It's compounding all that time. So if you're going to be a swing trader, or if you have a swing trading strategy, it's great to use it in that IRA. That's how I treat my IRA. So I have a trading strategy that I use. I call it the Eagle trading system. There's another video on that. I won't go into it here, but you could go check out that other one. Just type in Eagle Trading System on YouTube and you'll find it. But anyway, when you or when I am buying for my IRA, what I'll do, I'll end up holding for a couple of weeks, couple of months. If this trade turns out to be well, I'm trading it based off of daily and weekly charts. And that it can compound very quickly with that kind of a trading system, like a 50% each year, 70% each year. That's not unheard of. Even if you're able to compound at a rate of 20 or 30% a year with a swing trading strategy, that's fantastic too. You want to be able to turn your account over quicker and to be able to net the better gains without giving back a lot of those hard-fought profits, and you're doing it in a tax-advantaged way. There's a lot of benefit to being a swing trader when you're managing it for your IRA.